So he could not drive.
The bus driver was injured, dash, he could not drive. What will come? So, but, because. So, Robin is extremely clever. Dash, he would not come. Still, otherwise, so.
Otherwise.
So, he would not come. So is the correct option. Which of these is not a punctuation mark? Full stop, comma, colon, hashtag.
Hashtag.
She is not beaten, dash me. By, with, to. By me.
By.
Which can be used to express strong feelings in written English.
An exclamation mark.
An
exclamation mark.
Yes, an exclamation mark. I met a beautiful European woman. I met a beautiful European woman. I met a beautiful European, comma, woman. I met a beautiful, comma, European, comma, woman. Which one is correct? Beautiful, comma, European woman.
I met a beautiful, comma, European woman.
No, without comma.
Ma'am, I met a beautiful European woman. B option.
Option B.
Option B.
Yes, without comma.
Without comma.
I am worried, dash, exam.
I'm worried about.
I am worried about exam.
About. I'm worried about exam.
I am worried in, about, of.
I am worried about.
Yes,
Option
I am
B.
worried about
exam.
About
Yes,
exam.
about exam. Nafisa is afraid of, in, about spiders.
Of spiders.
Of spiders.
She suffers in, about, from a heart disease.
From a heart disease.
She suffers from a heart disease.
We
From a
arrived
heart
dash the station an hour late. At.
We
At.
arrived at the
Man's
station and
first experience of fire could be lightning. Lightning.
Rubbing stones.
Rubbing stones, volcanoes, both B and C.
Both B and C.
Ma'am, both B and C.
Beta worms make people grow paler, older, younger, brighter.
Ma'am, older.
Older.
87 means that after 87 years, that man will disappear from Earth, become zero. That man will disappear. A man will arrive on Earth after from Earth, totally 87 years. D option. The oldest things that are mentioned here are factual, hypothetical, imaginary, realistic.
Ma'am, imaginary.
Imaginary.
Imaginary. The oldest living thing in the world is Douglas fir, the oak, bristlecone
Bristlecone pine.
Bristlecone pine.
The phrase,
Bristlecone pine.
a climber like me, expresses his pride, his self-confidence, his belief, his
His
willpower.
self-confidence.
His self-confidence.
Self-confidence.
His pride, his self-confidence, his belief, his willpower.
His self-confidence.
His self-confidence.
The problem with the cat was
It got
It got stuck in the tree.
It got stuck in the tree.
the poem is educative, educative, serious, sad, humorous.
Ma'am, humorous.
Humorous.
Mom's
Humorous.
reaction was natural, right,
Ma'am, right.
wrong, funny.
Natural.
What happens after the poet's father fall off the ladder?
He gets up and plans for other
He gets up and plan for other trick.
plan for other trick.
Okay, now read the passage. What causes the monsoon? The monsoon, which is essentially the seasonal reversal in wind direction. Wind direction causes most of the rainfall received in India and some other parts of the world. The primary cause of monsoon is the difference between annual temperature trends over land and sea, the apparent position of the sun with reference to the earth, oscillates from the tropic of the Cancer to the tropic of Capricorn. Thus, the low pressure region created by solar heating also changes latitude. The northeast and southern east trade winds converge in this low pressure zone, which is also known as the Intertropical Convergence Zone or ITCZ. This low pressure region sees continuous rise of moist wind from the sea surface of the upper to the upper layers of the atmosphere, where the cooling means the air can no longer hold so much moisture, resulting in precipitation. The rainy seasons of East Asia, Sub-Saharan Africa, Australia, and the southern part of North America coincide with the shift of ITCZ towards these regions. Monsoon is a type of wave, a seasonal reversal in wind direction, very hot wind, very
A
hot
seasonal
wind, very
reversal
cold
in wind direction. A
Yes,
seasonal reversal in wind direction.
a seasonal reversal in wind direction.
Wind direction.
What is the full form of ITCZ?
Intertropical Convergence Zone.
Intertropical Convergence Zone.
Zone.
Then the major cause of monsoon is the difference between
Difference
annual.
between annual temperature trends over land and sea.
Next. The woods are I think, wait. Yes.
This
Low
is
pressure region is created by solar heating, lunar heating, moist wind, dry wind.
solar heating.
It rains when moist wind goes down. Dry wind meets moist wind. The air can no longer hold the moisture, resulting in precipitation. Annual temperature goes down. It's
Option C.
option C. The air can no longer hold moisture, resulting in precipitation. What causes the monsoon? What causes the monsoon? Yes, what causes the monsoon?
The monsoon, which is essentially the seasonal reversal in wind direction, causes most of the rainfall received in India. And the primary cause of monsoon is the difference between annual temperature trends over land and sea.
Very good. Whose woods these are? I think I know.
Thank you,
His
ma'am.
house is in the village though. He will not see me stopping here to watch his woods filled up with snow. He gives his harness bell a shake. He gives his harness bell a shake. He gives his harness bells a shake to ask if there is some mistake. The only other sounds the sweep of easy wind and downy flake. The woods are lovely, dark and deep, but I have promises to keep, and miles to go before I sleep, and miles to go before I sleep. In the last stanza of the poem, there is a repetition of the line, and miles to go before I sleep. The poet has repeated the line to make the poem interesting, emphasize his responsibilities, attract the readers, express the idea of the poem more forcefully. Attract the reader.
Option A. Option A.
No. It can be B or it can be D. Emphasizes responsibilities or express the idea of the poem more forcefully.
Responsibilities.
When the poet
Express the idea of the poem more.
yes, when the poet
Emphasizes
says, but I have promises to keep, he means that he has to make his life successful. He has certain duties which he must discharge.
Option B.
Yes, he has certain duties he must discharge. Then the woods are covered with snow, yellow leaves, sand, fallen trees.
Snow.
Snow.
Option A. Snow.
Who gives the harness a bell?
Horse.
Horse. The word queer means
Horse. Strange.
strange.